All right, guys, this is day 2 on our trading challenge to grow $1,000 to $50,000 within 30 days. So this is how much we have made so far on our day 1 trading Forex. We traded BTC pair and then London section only. So I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to be a profitable Forex trader when you join the Telegram and also the WhatsApp channel link that I will leave in the comment section and also the description of this video. If you are new to trading, if you're a pro trader and you think what we are doing here is or you have anything to add, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will also reply you, then we share our knowledge together. And if you are new and you have any question that you want to ask, leave it in the comment section. I will gladly answer you. Okay, moving on. Remember, trading Forex is a risky business. Always take your risk management very seriously, and then also remember, this video is strictly for educational purpose only. That being said, like and share this video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel and you find this kind of content interesting to you, subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I drop videos like this. I'll be sharing these challenge videos every day by 4 p.m. West African time, and then also in the group I'll be sharing with you my trade before I even take the trade. So free signals for you guys. Moving on, I'll take you to my phone screen now and show you how much we have made so far on day 1. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome to day 2 of our trading $1,000 to $50,000 within 30 days. So today is day 2, and I have just placed a trade for today. Being day 2, we started today with $1,200. So we're gonna place a trade now with a lot size of 0.25, and then I've put my stop loss and then take profit. As you know, risk management is very essential when it comes to trading the forex market. So I'll put my take profit at 60,000 naira. So I believe when this take profit hit, we'll be able to make some money and grow this account. Let's see how much we grow the account today. So at this point, I'll close now and then come back later. Now we are back again once again, and then we are now in profit of about $170 so far. So today the market is a bit dull, and then we are still hoping that the market will kick off when New York open, but I don't like to keep my trade for so long. And then we are still in London section. So once I see that the market is still either ranging or going sideways, I will have to close this trade and then hope for a better entry next time. So at this point, I still have to hold on and see if we'll be able to make more than what we have here so far. And then already capital has increased to $1,400 from $1,200 that we closed yesterday trade with. So I believe that we should be able to make at least $600 today, but let's see how it goes. It's a bit of gambling, so but I still try as much as possible to keep it tight so that we will not blow the accounts, and then see how much we can grow at the end of 30 days, which is 1 month, and see if we'll be able to hit a $50,000 target. You know, we are doing at this point we are just going to be doing compound interest. As the profit grows, we also increase our lot size and then trade along. So if you want to join and win in forex trading and then learn how to trade forex, I will leave my WhatsApp and also the Telegram link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. And then in our Telegram platform or the WhatsApp platform, we will be sharing you our daily trades as we enter any trade, and then we also enjoy you to copy our trade if you want to. So already we have a lot of members in that group, so be part of it. And if you are new to trading, we'll be sharing with you some tutorial videos on this channel, and also on the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of our content. And then in this channel we do tutorial videos on how to trade the forex market and how to make money online in general. So we started this challenge a day ago. So we are planning to hit a $50,000 at the end of 30 days. So I've closed the trade, so we now have $1,476 in our account. So that's all.